Chapter 57. By the time I get to science, the last class of the day, I've managed to avoid both Tommy Murphy and bathrooms, but I'm panicked. I walk into class and take a deep, shaky breath, hoping I can hold it together. Mr. Malone walks to the back of the room and grabs 2 metal trays. "Okay, class," he says, "today is worm dissection day." I'd forgotten about worm dissection day. A tray lands on our lab table with a worm stretched out, held taut by pins. I don't know if it's caused by the formaldehyde smell coming from the tray or seeing the dead worm with pins stuck in it, but a feeling swells inside my chest and my throat squeezes. "You okay?" Sophie asks, her fingers landing like a feather on my wrist. It's hard not to cry when someone is being nice. A strangled sound comes from my throat and my shoulders bob. I know that Niagara Falls is about to spill. Mr. Malone at the rear of the room grabs 2 more trays, his back to the class. Without asking, without a hall pass, without my backpack, I bolt. I'm halfway down the hall when sadness overwhelms me. I lean back against a row of lockers and sink to the floor. My shoulders jerk and hot tears stream down my cheeks. I pull my knees to my chest and cover my face. That's when I hear a door open at the far end of the hallway. I squint and see the bald head of Mr. Karp. I cover my own head with my arms. Go away. I peek through my arms and see Mr. Karp getting closer. The door to the stairway is down the hall, past him, but the bathroom is right next to me. "David?" It's Mr. Malone, calling from science class. "David Greenberg?" I duck into the boys' bathroom, lean against the cool tile wall, and hold my breath. As soon as Mr. Karp passes, I'll run down the hall, away from science class, to the stairwell and all the way home. A stall door opens and a cloud of cigarette smoke drifts out. I hear a deep voice. My jumbled thoughts distill to one. Run.